downtown. It is 4th of July. We're gonna start with a little live stream, and then we're gonna hang out on Fremont Street. Mark's gonna go live, and we're just gonna hang out and have a good time.
So guys, you want to see me already?
Yeah.
Hey, Pat.
Surprise! I just decided to wear my normal uniform, a black t-shirt.
Or the BCC uniform.
Yeah.
Black t-shirt, blue jeans.
That's what I was thinking when I was like, whatever, I'll just literally, I thought I'll wear the BCC uniform. Robert said I'm the boss of the BCC.
Yes, you're the boss. You're the boss, coordinator.
Everything. Hi, D-Baldy. The other day in Mark's live stream, someone's like, oh, you need to get a manager. Do you have a manager? And I was like, I'm his manager. And Ken was with him. He's like, she's the event coordinator. She's his manager, like listing off all my titles. I'm like, I'm a busy girl. I had it on St. Patrick's Day and it was delicious. I remember to get ranch, and this one is extreme pepperoni. I've already had like multiple pieces of the pepperoni, but look at it. It's just like covered.
That part, yeah. I mean, we were at Michele, she was like, yeah, sit over here, Ken. Like, I don't want to sit there. Like,
I didn't want to sit in the sun. Look, all my stuff. And then Ken has this little spot. I love it. Look at my new charger, guys. So my live stream just ended, so I'm like charging my phone really quick. It's pink. It's hard to see in this light, but it's super cute. Started construction for the new section in the plaza. They're adding a pink box, they're adding a carousel bar, and what's the other thing, like gaming? I think they're adding like gaming on the side, right? I think so. So I was hoping that they didn't start construction yet. Joe did say it was all boarded off, but I'm gonna try to sneak in there to take a picture with that mirror that we always take pictures with. This way to see if we can get in by that little grassy section. if it's blocked off, then I guess those pictures are just over for good. That makes me really sad. That was like my favorite. Go to my Instagram and you can see them. Dang it. Okay, well, we can't get in. Cinco de Mayo was the last picture in the mirror. You remember Nick was so mad we were stopping, but it's a good thing we stopped because that was the last time.
Last time ever?
That's so sad.
That's awesome.
Guys, I'm sitting on a saddle right now.
See, I sit down to get a drink in my number.
No horse, just a
What kind of
saddle.
shit is that? Now you know about loyalty, right?
We got drinks at this bar. They don't have chairs, they have saddles.
As a spiritual empath, I feel everyone's fine.
It is very uncomfortable to sit on a saddle. Like, I don't know how cowboys do it.
Well, it's,
An evil pie?
yeah. They're very, these pepperoni are very flavorful.
Yeah. And they're not burned to death.
No.
So I was saying that I need some caffeine and someone in the chat was like, oh, I was like, is there Dunkin' Donuts? And someone looked it up. They're like, yes, there is one. So here we are. They're open until 10 o'clock during the week and 11 o'clock on weekends. They do have donuts, but we're here for the iced coffee. I might get a donut too though. Are you getting a donut?
I might.
Are you getting iced coffee?
Probably.
So we ended up not getting coffee because the line was so long. There was one guy working. And we're like, we can't wait. So we're headed back to work.
That's so much fun. Well, thank you. Speaking of so much fun, you guys are so much fun. Oh, yeah, these are my 4th of July shoes. Thank you.
Now we're in front of the plaza waiting for the fireworks. There's a few more minutes and we were so close, like right up front. And Joe and Mark said that they were down here July 4th, 2020 and it was like so crazy busy that they were like all the way back there. There were like tons of people. So we're like right in front. It's a really good view. I feel like I'm always like creeping with my camera. Okay guys, so we're back at El Cortez. I am still dying of thirst. So it's like really hot and sweaty outside now, so we're getting cups of water to go before we get our cars from valet. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of tonight's vlog. I had a really good time. I've been down here for a long time. We got here at 3:30, it's 9:40. I didn't know we were spending all day and night down here. I convinced Joe to come. I'm so glad he did. Are you happy you came, Joe?
I'm so happy that I came. That's such a good time.
Can you hear that in his voice? He's lying to me. No, I'm glad he came. We had fun. The fireworks were cool. I don't think I've ever gone anywhere to see fireworks.
In your life?
I don't think so. Definitely not in Vegas.
Like not
Never.
Disneyland or anything like that? You ever seen fireworks shows at Disneyland or anything?
I've never been to Disneyland.
Oh, okay.
I've been to Disney World. I don't know, it's just like July, it's hot and sweaty. It's like, why do you want to go outside in a crowd? Like, I've never done it, but it was fun. We had like the perfect view. I think a firework got in my eye. Like, I'm not even kidding. I will insert the clip of when I was recording, and then my camera was probably like down because like it was like burning and my eye was just like watering like nonstop. I literally thought I was gonna have to tell like Mark and Joe, we gotta go, like we need to get some medical attention.
You're like, woman down, woman down.
I know, I was literally like, oh my gosh, it was burning so bad. But then I had like little black things like on my arms, and Joe had some on his. So whatever that was, I think that's what went in my eye. It was bad. It was burning so bad. So at least the night's over, because like most of my makeup on this eye is gone. I turned to Joe and my eyes just like streaming, and I'm like, I got a firework in my eye.
I thought she was really enjoying the show. She was
Yeah.
like, kind of crying.
It's like, wow, Michelle's like really touched. I'm like over there crying. I'm like, Joe, I got a firework in my eye. So that wasn't great, but I still had a great time.
I almost lost one eye, but hey, it was still a good time.
Yeah, I can still see. So hopefully my video turns out okay.
A lot of ground, a lot of spots in the ground.
Half of it, the camera's looking at the ground. I'm crying. But thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I'll see you next time. Do you want to say anything?
No.
Would you like to show your face?
Sure.
I'll see you later. Bye, guys.